This video guides you through the process of setting pricing for tests using one-time and recurring subscriptions in the shopping cart. Navigate to Global Settings, open E-commerce, choose a payment gateway under Payment Gateway Settings, and click on the Save Settings button. Note, PayPal, Stripe, and Paystack support both one-time purchase and recurring subscription, while PayUmoney supports only one-time purchase. To edit the shopping cart for a paid test, go to the Assessments under Products and select the desired test. Click on the More option and choose Shopping Cart from the drop-down list. To add a new price, click on Add Pricing Scheme or click on the Edit option to edit the existing price. To edit the settings for a one-time purchase, enter the price details, specify the duration, in days or a lifetime, and select the desired access type from the drop-down menu. After making the necessary changes, click the Submit button to save your modifications. To modify a recurring subscription, enter the price details and select the subscription frequency, monthly, annual, from the drop-down menu. Now, click the Submit button to save your changes. Maximize revenue with flexible pricing for tests using one-time and recurring subscriptions in the shopping cart.